and you have the same problem, you never know what season it is. Is it summer, fall, winter, or spring? But one thing's for sure, you always have dirty hands.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's why I use melon cucumber hand sanitizer. It keeps my hands clean.
Welcome back to
Angela!
and Jennifer!
Or the Sunny Side Up! This is
Um,
our first official episode, and my pop just exploded for all you people just tuning in.
Speaking of pop, we were having a disagreement earlier against mug root beer, which isn't as good as Dr.
Because it
Pepper.
explodes!
Anyways, we're taking a vote. Just write in your comment things which one's better. And
Go root beer! Also,
Pepper.
write squares or diamonds for those squares or diamonds, because squares are way better than diamonds.
no, yes, squares.
Yeah, diamonds are
Diamonds
like,
is too much of a
what the heck,
change.
yeah.
But anyways, Dr. Pepper. And while you're there, you might as well leave a little.
Good comment, and you can subscribe to the Sunny Side Up, and
And you can rate us 5 stars.
yeah, that's
Or
what I was
more.
gonna say, but I forgot.
Or more.
You can't rate more than 5.
Anyways,
But 2.
okay, so next in our subject,
Mattress.
what do we have next? Okay, we're drawing pictures.
Want to do that after we draw pictures.
We should do our commercial of that.
Oh, the root beer exploded on my paper.
Oh, well, it's okay. We're
The
gonna
root beer exploded on my paper.
we're gonna delete all over my hat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go get some paper for me, little peasant girl.
Just use that. Okay, so all you need for this, a hard book, a paper.
And that was just so cool. I
pen.
hid my pen.
Okay, so we don't have a timer. Okay, we've got 30 seconds to do this.
Okay.
We gotta draw a picture of a pig.
Yes, a pig.
And you
I'm
get
gonna do this way.
Yeah.
On your mark, 10, 9, 8, 7. Just wait a couple seconds. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. I'm done, and you have now stop. Oh, yours is good. These are our creations.
Okay, so this is Angela's.
The better one.
And this is mine. Okay, so next, are we doing our spoof?
Sure.
Is it loaded?
It's too loud. Look back after these messages.
Yeah. This program is brought to you by tic-tacs. Remember, it's not just a mint. It's an overpriced piece of crap. Now we're going to show you our spoof. It's a sneak preview of our spoof for True Fan. It's PG-13. So kids watching, fast forward. Actually, just delete it. Okay.
Or ask for your parents' permission, or
Yeah.
get your parents in the room, but
Yeah.
they'll probably not approve.
Anyways, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hannah Montana. I'm also Miley Cyrus. Nobody likes me 'cause my song is gay, so I'm gonna go kill myself today. But before that, I'll get laid to a hairy banana. There. And that's our sneak preview. Wait until we need to finish our music video. We're right in the middle of making it right now. So when we're done, we'll post it on YouTube. And okay, so
And we'll post it on our Sunny Side Up account.
yeah.
Not Angela or Angie Pangy 100.
Well, her account is Angie Pangy 100, and I'm Junifer Lee.
So watch our videos because they're pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And if you're fan obsessed with us, then watch them.
Then don't idle us. Well, idle us, just don't
And
stop.
don't stalk us, yeah. Yeah.
Well, our information on YouTube's false anyways, so don't try tracking us.
Yeah, we're not 19.
And last but not least, we're doing our traditional classic spit tag.
Yes.
Hand me my water, please. Okay, I can't find my
Okay, Jenny, guess what? My male cat just had 15 babies. Jake, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just working on my channel, Jacob Lego's channel. I'm putting on a lot of videos. They're all awesome.
And we're back. My name is Angela.
And my name's Jennifer.
And this is Sunny Side Up.
Yeah.
After the second commercial.
Bye.
Or third. Sayonara.
Au revoir.
Peace out.
Gracias.
The magazines are messing with reality. It's entertaining as long as we don't ever take it seriously.